Hey, I'm about to launch my $1 million product on TikTok Shop, and I was looking for a tool uh, to spy on ads to figure out what ads would work and what ads wouldn't work. And I came across this PP ads. I know it sounds kind of funny, but it's a way to spy on your competitors' ads and find out what's working, what's not working, and be able to copy them and make a lot of money on TikTok Shops. All right, so come on inside with me. We're going to check it out. Okay, so this is PP ads, and you can tell up here if you can do a TikTok ad search, a product search. You can follow the advertisers. You can follow TikTok shops. You've got a bunch of tools here, and the pricing. You want to know the pricing right off the bat? Let's check it out. Find the perfect plan. Okay, so starter is $77 a month, VIP is $155 a month, and Pro is $263 a month. Now, like I always say, if a tool is making you money, you'll pay for the tool. Okay, no brainer, right? So if you're paying $100 for the tool and it's making you thousands, it's a no brainer. So you can search categories, all categories, right? TikTok shop ads. We're going to choose the United States, right? Now you come down here and it's going to give you, I didn't do any other search parameters, so it's going to give me all kinds of products. It's going to tell me this one's got 11,000 ad impressions, this one's got 9,000. And you just go through and you can see what they have and what they're doing and what's working, right? And what's at the top of this heap here. But if you want, let's say you have a product that you're interested in and you want to promote, so let's say that the Mullen stuff that's been going around, the lung cleanse, right? So you search that and you're saying, well, what kind of videos are going viral for the Mullen, right? So you search down and we're looking for certain ones. So these are the ones we're looking for here. So this one here, this ad has 198,000 impressions, right? Now you can look at the conversion rate, right? And if you want, you can copy very similar ad. You can now this is a AI voice, right? So you can turn around and make your own with the same AI voice, same photos or similar photos, and just model after, right? It's very simple, and they're going to show you all of these. This one's got 2.4 million views. All right, ad impressions. All right. Popularity. I don't really know what popularity means. 82,000. That's got to be good, right? And it's just a video of the guy putting it in a glass. Now he's wearing a white coat. Maybe he's a pharmacist. All right. He's Dr. Chris Pharmacist, right? That's who he is. So maybe you don't have a white coat, but very simple. All he's doing is drinking it, right? Easy peasy. You can do it, right? And this is great. You can search and find out whatever you need to find out, right? This one's got 2.1 million ad impressions, 6.3 million ad impressions. So here's a funny one, just a little stuffed animal lung thing. And they're putting the sticky glue on there, and then they're going to go wipe it off with the Moulin, right? So pretty cute. And that one's got 6 million views, right? So you can do the same thing. You can do the very same thing, and that's just with this one product that I've picked up, right? So you can change the category to e-commerce, games, apps, dropship, all of these stuff. Right? If you're looking for a drop shipping product, right, you want to go by the call to action, which platform it's on, right? Whether you want to change which platform it's on. The ad type, landing page, if it's got a landing page or not. If you can search by how many impressions it's getting. Okay, if you have a limit to what you're doing, popularity, right? How old it is, right? And very simple, and it's got all the information that you need, right? To spy on your competition, to find out what's working, to find out why yours isn't working, right? So you do exactly what they do. I'm not saying copy the same stuff. You don't want to copy the content. You don't want to copy the video and do the exact same video. You're going to get blasted for reused content. Okay, you don't want to do that. What you want to do is make it your own. So you like the ones that have all the AI photos. You just make the same AI photos, very similar, right? And you get their script, right? And it's pretty simple. And you just you could put it in ChatGPT and figure it out and get the script written, and then go to Eleven Labs. 11 Labs is the AI voice place, right? You go to 11 Labs and you go there and you get the AI voice and you make the video and you've got all the information you want right here in PP Ads. All right. So I hope that helped. There'll be a link down in the bottom for PP Ads. I think there's a 10% discount if you get it from me. But by all means, check it out. And like I said, it's worth it if you're making money. If it's giving you winning ads, okay. Now you're finding winning ads, so you got to do some split testing. You got to find out what a winning ad is. You got to put more than one ad out there with different title, different creative, uh, different body of ad copy, and you find out what's working, what's doing better, and you Frankenstein them together. You take this title and you take this impression and you take this from over here, and you make a winning ad. And then when you have the winning ad, that's the $1,000,000 question, right? And that's when you go and what products are you using? Leave me a comment in the description. What product is your product? Okay, are you doing T-shirts, mugs, or are you doing a different kind of product? Are you doing drop shipping, print on demand? What are you doing with TikTok Shop? What's your TikTok Shop about?